Wiliam, good morning.
Morning, Nora.
How are you settling in so far?
It's going well. Everyone's been helpful.
That's good to hear. Liam just moved from another department to our team. The company is making some changes. That's why Liam is sitting here today. It's nice to share the office. We can talk and help each other sometimes. So, how are you finding the new department?
It's good, actually. A bit different from my old one, but I like it.
Did you have a busy morning?
Not too bad. How about you?
It was okay. The traffic was a bit crazy today.
Oh, really? Do you drive to work?
Yes, I do. What about you?
I usually take the bus.
That's probably less stressful.
Most days, yes, but sometimes it's very crowded.
I can imagine. Traffic was really slow today.
Yeah, mornings can be rough.
Do you live far from the office? I hope I'm not asking too many questions. I'm just curious.
No worries. It's nice to talk. Ask whatever you want.
Knock, knock. The coffee machine is finally working again.
Oh, that's good news.
So how's it going here?
Good. We were just about to start working.
All right. See you at lunch.
All right, see you.
So, how do you usually organize your workday?
It's pretty simple, actually. First thing in the morning, I check my emails.
That makes sense.
After that, I usually talk to clients on the phone.
Do you talk to clients a lot?
Yes, some people just want information. Others have questions about our services.
And meetings?
Sometimes, yes, I meet clients who want to work with us.
Sounds busy.
It can be, but I like it. Every day is a little different.
That's nice. And how do you end your day?
I usually prepare for the next day. I plan what I will do tomorrow.
That's a smart way to organize your day. I'll probably do the same.
You can try and see if it works for you.
That's really helpful. Thanks for sharing, Nora.
No problem. Hi there, more conversations coming. Make sure to subscribe and follow for more.